Hey friends, what if I told you that you could run Java program without a main method? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not quite. In earlier versions of Java, applets could actually run without main. But for modern Java applications, things have changed and main method is now a must. Okay, so let's dive into the history of intriguing feature and uncovering the truth behind running Java programs without a main method. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you some mind-boggling tricks. So here is our today's agenda. So first of all, we'll check can we run without main method, then static block, how we can run it with the static block, then why is main method so important? Again, can we overload main method? Also, what is the system.exit? What is the use of it? Again, we will check what happens if there is no main method. And also, at last, we will check can we change the signature of main method. So let's just deep dive into it. So in modern Java, specifically Java SE, the main method is required or it is essential. Every standard Java application must include main method, which serves as the entry point of the program. What it serves? It serves as the entry point for the particular program. Without it, the Java virtual machine JVM won't know where to start execution of your code. Okay, so that's the reason it is must. Okay, here you can see the how we can see I have known the simple code over here. Okay, so but there's the twist like before Java SE, Java had a concept called as applets. Maybe some of you must have aware about applets, which were small programs designed to run inside web browsers. Applet didn't require a main method at all. They were managed by browser, which handled their execution lifecycle. Okay. Now let's just check about the one trick like how we can do with the help of a static block. Here I have given an example, right? Quick coding example. Uh, First of all, let me tell you that static block gets executed at the time of compilation only, right? Everyone must be aware about it. JVM won't run the static block, okay? So, like in this case, like, even though you can't create a fully functional Java application without main method, there is one trick like to execute code in Java without explicitly writing a main method using static block. How static blocks are piece of code that gets executed when the class is loaded. At the time of class loading itself, it gets executed by JVM. Okay, so even before the main method is called, this doesn't mean your program will fully run without a main method, but it will allow you to run some piece of code without using the main method. Here we can see the example. Like I am running this static block execution executed without the main. Okay. And to terminate this program, I am using system.exit method. Okay. So what it will do is it will terminate the static block. Okay. So that's the thing. I hope you have understood the static block. Now you must be wondering like why the main method is so important. Okay. The main advantage of main method is like it's an entry point for our Java application. It's the first method that JVM will look and they can try to run a Java program. Without it, Java doesn't know where to start and your program won't execute. So that's the main thing about the main method. Why it is needed. Keep it in mind, it is a entry point. Okay, and it will provide us JVM the thing like where it has to start the execution. Correct. Okay, so when you run your program like JVM invokes the main method, passing in any command line argument through string args method. Okay, let us check our next point, which is system.exit. Okay, so you might have noticed the line system.exit in static block, right? I show you. This method terminates the currently running Java virtual machine. The zero indicates a normal termination of the program. Without system.exit, the program would continue looking for the main method after the static block completes, right? So it will lead us to the error. But this with this call, we tell GVM that that's it. We are done here, and you can now exit the system. Let me show you the one quick coding example for the static block. Let me try to. create one class called as static block. Static block. I don't need more main method. Okay, here what we'll do is we'll write one static block. Static. Inside that, let me take one sysout statement executing, shooting without main. Let me try to run it. Let's see what happens. I don't think it will run. Okay. It didn't run actually. Okay. Why? Because from latest versions, main method is compulsory to take. Okay. So that's the reason. But yeah, compilation is successful. That's why we didn't get any error, right? Because if we know, we get error over here, right? In while we are using Eclipse IDE. Okay. So that's the thing. Hence, we check that it won't give us compilation error, but at the time it won't run because from latest versions of Java, main method is compulsory. Okay, so Java can run without a main method. The short answer. So not in modern Java you see applications. The main method is essential for JVM to know where to begin executing your code. So okay, while you can run some code using a static block or in older versions with the applets, you'll still need main for any full fledged Java application today. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and also share it with your friends, and drop in comments like on which topic you want us to make the videos, so that we'll give you a detailed explanation. Also check out our interview preparation playlist so that you can prepare for your interviews, and we provide daily job updates on this channel, so do subscribe and check out our job opportunity playlist as well. So that's it for now. Thank you. So before checking the coding example, let me tell you the one thing, like you can check out our interview preparation playlist where we provide daily uh, uh, where we provide the interview questions asked in different multiple question uh, big MNCs, which will help you to prepare for the interviews free of cost. And also check out our job opportunity playlist where we provide daily job updates so that you can apply for them directly. And we explain each and every job over there so that you get a much more clear idea about